Inside.
And this is why I test. Hello, hello, hello. And this is why I test. Hello, hello, hello. Now the audio is working. What? Can we check? And this is why I test. All right, cool. What's good, people? It's currently 6 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time, Monday, the 19th of February, 2024. Welcome to another amazing episode of. Sorry, this kind of loud. Another episode of the game, which is a free weekly webinar every single Monday, 8 p.m. till half 9 UK time since summer 2020, covering everything stocks, crypto, fundamentals, etc., with a particular focus on industry reports. Now, the game is meant to be with Mr. Harding live at Crypto Mondays, but I am unable to get through to our CEO. And if he joins, he joins. So check Telegram, go live on Zoom. What? Oh, sorry, guys. What? Huh? What are you talking about? Sorry, let me just call Don. Sorry, technical difficulties. 1 second, guys. What are you talking about?
Hello, everyone. How's it going, everyone? What's good? What's good? I thought since we're waiting, might as well check in. Dublin, how you keeping, bro? Everything good? See you looking
Yeah, everything's good, man.
cozy,
Can't
ready for the
complain.
game. Yeah, good to hear. Good to hear, bro.
How are you?
I'm blessed. All is well. All is well. Can't complain. Ade, how are you? How are you keeping?
I'm
Thank you
doing
for
fine.
tuning in.
Just moved to a new house, trying to settle in, get back on track.
Congratulations, man. That's nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice. Yeah, I got that. Do that.
Yeah, that's basically it. It's just we're able to say certain things in the dojo that we're not allowed, that we basically can't say on YouTube. It's too private. But all in all, the dojo is the place where we actually share our real portfolio, real trading account, etc. Okay, so quick disclaimer: terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please always do your own work, guys. Yes, sir. Oh, okay, update from Mr. Harding's wife. She says, just freestyle until we're ready. No problem. I got you. I got you. I got you. We'll leave this disclaimer, go over the crypto market, and Mr. Harding will tap in live very soon, hopefully. So our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Lanrai, are you a professional financial advisor?
No.
Dubham, Keish, Real Trade, Ade, all those on YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn, any financial advisors. There we go. You know what? Funnily enough, one of my students who I taught is actually becoming a financial advisor. So I won't tell everyone their name because they're not a financial advisor yet. But I think that's actually quite funny. So alternatively, independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show that you may wish to rely upon, whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, guys?
Yes.
So please always do your own what, guys?
Search.
Yep. Don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. Neither is Landry. Neither is Keish. Neither is Mr. Harding. Neither is Ade, Dubham, Real Trade, and everybody in this webinar. However, we're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. Okay, let's stop sharing here. Let's just share this instead. Okay, cool. So as we wait for Mr. Harding to come back, well, not come back, arrive with the Crypto Mondays lot. Let me just share some quick alpha and market insight. Okay, let's zoom out in the macro. So I was relatively bearish, not super bearish, but looking for shorts at the start of February. Those shorts didn't arrive. My shorts got liquidated, right? So I lost money. Believe it or not, it is impossible to always win. And it is impossible to always get it right. Now, I justified my sentiment of somewhat bearish, looking for some decent shorts in February based on what? Technicals, macro technicals, especially macro technicals in the stock market, particularly NASDAQ, top 100, right? Now, I believe, well, now I've changed my sentiment because the on-chain data is very, very bullish in cryptocurrency, especially with regards to institutions buying up Bitcoin and what else? Yeah, institutions buying up Bitcoin, and then certain divergences, just like I said on Sundays, technically speaking, where the Google trend for Bitcoin BTC crypto searches recently reached a bottom and is now climbing up. In fact, the most interest was during the 7th to the 13th of January when Bitcoin was like 38, 40K. So if you imagine Bitcoin is at screaming highs right now and retail hasn't really poured in, right? Think about this as an indicator. It's an indicator that things are warming up when more people get interested in crypto. It's a signal for a top or a local top when the average person brags about gains. When the average person talks about, oh, I put $1,000 in Cardano and now I've got $2,000, right? So I believe now my current sentiment with the market, just to give everyone kind of a macro update. In fact, I would like Keisha's second thoughts on this, is we are witnessing the start of a new age where cryptocurrency prices start decoupling from tech stocks. Not completely, but slightly, right? I believe even if tech draws down, if tech draws down, crypto's going down for sure. That's what it used to be like, right? Nasdaq pulls down, Bitcoin pulls down. Now I feel like we're entering a new era where it's actually possible for Nasdaq to go down and crypto to go up. Nasdaq, aka top 100 US techs. Why? Because here is also some institutional data. In the macro, right, institutions are trying to buy up BTC at a rate that suppliers can't supply it to. At the same time, there's billions of dollars going out of gold ETFs. Sorry, not gold ETFs, but just the gold market in general. The gold market, and I think it was I can't remember the data set exactly. Something to do with like gold trusts. Also, actually, Keish, what do you think about what I just said? And also to just finally wrap up, I believe there is a big possibility that the previous sentiment of crypto, where the bull market will be kind of like September, so the top of the bull market will be September, October 2025. I believe that's potentially been cut by 3 to 6 months. AKA, I don't believe we're going to get the pre-halving crash. I believe that this is a new world where potentially we could see an all-time high. I'm not saying it's going to happen, an all-time high before the halving. That's when retail come in, and then that's when we get the crash post-halving. Whereas in previous cycles, it's not been like that.
Yeah, I think just to add to that, we have to look at the days of Bitcoin. So I covered this on the game a long time ago. I need to pull it up and I'll share screen and show you guys in a sec. I've just got a million on one tabs. I might even just send Ninja the link.
I think I know what you're talking about. You're talking about the days in between the bull runs, right? And it's 1,064 days, isn't it? Look, I got it. Hey, I got it. Look, days between tops and bottoms. Yeah, come in, come in.
Family offices and the bigger funds that are funding the VCs. VCs are borrowing money to invest in the projects. Projects are getting money dished out, needle in a haystack getting thrown out. And essentially, what we're seeing now, I think, is a complete different approach. Where one thing that I'm really happy that's trending, because we've been speaking about it for like 4 years straight, is real world assets. And we're going to see a lot more heavy real world utility use cases. I think one of the biggest things I'm focused on is infrastructure, tech. So tech that it has real world application, and I think that these are the areas that we need to be focusing on and looking to bank with, because I think all of the institutional players, yes, there will be meme coins, yes, there will be meme projects and all of these other things, right? still 100%. But I think that the shift of the space will change. I think DeFi is going to change a lot with regulation and stuff as well. I think I really do believe DeFi eventually will be just on the dark web. And I think that will be there'll be an underground dark web DeFi
You know
market
what?
where the real gains are at.
I can literally testify for this year because
Go ahead.
as somebody who has exposure in the Richard Hart Hex Pulse chain ecosystem, yeah, you know, I'm a part-time Hex guy. I often have to move. Oh, the big goats here. The big goats here. Yeah,
But you're not a hex guy, you're a
yeah.
Hexagon.
Yeah, no, yeah. So I have to move internets. Like my home Wi-Fi doesn't connect to the Hex and Pulse chain. I've got a tether on my phone. They've literally blocked it. My internet provider has
Yeah,
blocked Hex. What the hell? What
yeah,
the
yeah,
hell?
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
look, listen. My internet provider. It's not like a family thing. As in, like, I'm allowed to literally go to. Imagine I can go to a gambling website or an adult website with my current Wi-Fi, but I can't go to Hex or Pulse chain.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy life, right?
Yeah, it's
Um,
crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I think they're gonna block it. It's a lot of stuff will be blocked. And it'll be heavily KYC'd. Having real users is gonna be huge. Authenticating individuals huge because of AI and blockchain. So I think that's the real shift, and I think that's where the money is really gonna pile into, and has been piling into. Another place where money is piling into, is decentralized storage and cloud storage.
here
Decentralized
goes
cloud
to
storage,
Filecoin. No financial advice.
CPU and GPU sharing, huge, huge space. And I think that's something that people shouldn't sleep on. And look at where the biggest players are putting their money, and that's all I can say without saying too much.
Bro, let me just spin off from big players putting their money. Yeah, I'm sorry to all our dojo subscribers because you guys paid, and I probably shouldn't share this information on the game, but I feel like I have to. I have to share this game when it comes to big money. This might be one of the best pieces of information I've ever found fundamentally, and no one's talking about it. Mr. Harding, are you there? Let me just do this little thing, and then I hope he's listening. If not, he can just watch the replay. Okay, cool. Guys, I think I've actually broke the matrix, okay? First of all, I need a prayer. Are you good? All right. So okay. Everyone needs to pray for Ninja. Pray Ninja's protected because he's giving away this information for free on YouTube. But to be fair, the information is on the internet for free. So it's not like I didn't hack a website to get to this, right? Now, first of all, I think that basically everybody in crypto under talks or under recognize or over forgets that Grayscale is the biggest Bitcoin holder in the entire world, right? 500,000 Bitcoin, I believe, is in their control, which is more than the US and Chinese government. Cool. So that's underspoken about. What else is underspoken about? The coins inside the Grayscale single asset trusts. There's only like 14 coins in here, right? But let me give you some basic maths. Look at this, right? Look at this. Look at how much assets under management these trusts have. Grayscale Basic Attention Token has $1.4 billion assets under management. 1.4 billion, right? But the actual coin has way less, right? The yo, we back. No, no, no. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hello guys, hello. My name's Adam. I'm just a boring trader, but I'm here Crypto Mondays. I've been coming to these fairly regularly. Yeah, that's small intro.
Okay. So you're a trader. What kind of things do you trade? Do you trade crypto? Do you trade stocks? FX?
Yeah, crypto, on-chain, deck stuff.
Okay. And
Okay.
what got you into crypto in the first place?
Money, man, I'll be real.
Okay, fair enough. So our favorite question we like to ask people on the show is if there was one thing you were looking for that would make your life easier or better, it could be Web3, could not be, could be just life in general. You never know who's in the community and watching. What would it be?
One thing that made my life better.
Or easier, or faster?
I don't get too deep with it.
We've had all sorts of stuff. We've had someone ask for a babysitter before.
Yeah, man. Probably like parent health.
Okay.
Yeah, like parent health.
Okay, that's a big one. That's I like that you said that because not many people are focused on that. Okay, cool. If we've got anyone in the space that's willing to help out or can advise or guide or anything like that, where can people find you or connect with you in regards to trading as well? Are you on Twitter?
I'm not on Twitter.
Oh, you're completely doxed and anonymous.
I'm on Discord.
Are you on Discord? Okay, yeah, show your Discord so people can connect.
ZUBATE. Zabid.
There we go. There we go.
If you want.
We actually have our own trading community, so I will connect with you, and then I'll send you the links to our trading community. It's hosted by our main man Ninja, who does a daily trading for. You do it. How many days a week do you do it, Ninja? 5 days a week, live trades on chain with dexes, with charts, everything. And then every Sunday we do like a TA show.
Yeah, dude, if you're an on-chain trader, you're speaking my language. On-chain trading, bro, I live on the chain. I don't even use centralized exchanges. I don't use Binance. I don't use Coinbase. Everything 100% decentralized. Yeah, make sure you connect to my CEO. This is my big brother, and yeah, I am him. He is me. That's my right hand. Make sure we connect for sure because yeah, we do Dex trading calls 5 times a week. Mondays, Wednesday, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Yeah. Every day except Tuesday and Saturday. Yeah.
Perfect. All right, no worries. I'll let you guys carry on, and then I'll bring 2 more.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Obviously, we got a regular face in the background though. Thanks for that. We got a regular face.
Hey, come on,
Hey, Marcus, how you doing, bro?
This guy.
What's up?
Everybody knows this guy. This is Marcus. He is probably one of the most OGs in the space when it comes to Web3 and development. This one as well. So we are on an event about community. What was the best question that you heard asked today?
Well, it wasn't the best question, but the best answer. He talked about abstraction.
Okay.
He talks about like how Web3 is going to be obsolete. It's not going to be like a thing where people will interact with wallets in the future, and I do truly believe that as well. And I feel like, I mean, with that, like, there's gonna be like either like a barrier with AI or something to do with like automation, with like how people actually code it as well. So like how people even code blockchains as well. And I look at like things like how people code like websites these days as well with like no code. So it's like there's gonna obviously I know there's a few projects that's out there just trying to do like no code smart contracts as well. Yeah. But it's just like with the space growing so much, like I actually wanted to ask a question as well, is like around like where do you feel like the crypto economy is going to be within the sense of like how much projects there are, like, and the regulation that's going to be taking place as well. Like, do you feel like half of the cryptos that's going to be on the market are going to be obsolete, and it's going to like destroy them, or like with like I mean with things like Ethereum, like it's pretty possible that they could just like pull the plug on.
Good, dude. It's something. It's something I've been saying for a while. Is about Ethereum might one day disappear. It's quite controversial, but in terms of your question of will they go obsolete, can someone share the screen and go to coinmarketcap.com? So your question.
One second. CoinMarketCap.com.
Regulation pause the majority of Web3 to go obsolete, or will
2.2 million. I mean, bear in mind, it's 2.2 million that made it on Coin Market Cap. There's way more in the world.
yeah, but that's crazy. Do you remember when it was like 20,000?
I remember. It's like December 2020, COVID times. I remember.
That's great. Well, there's your answer. Are all 2 million projects going to be relevant? No. Because are all 2 million projects relevant right now? No. I would say only 500 at most are relevant. So, yeah, that's a great question. Right, Ninja, I'll let you crack on, and I'll get one more, and that'll be us done from the live show. Cool.
Okay. Let me go back to that game that I was talking about, Grayscale, right? Because this might be one of the biggest fundamental glitches. And remember, the great thing about fundamentals is they don't change overnight. It's not like technical analysis. You know what I mean? It's bullish, it's bearish. Oh, the divergence, right? The thing is with fundamentals, on an institutional level, they don't change overnight. Okay, it takes them a long time to change. So I want you to download these data sets in your head. Okay, so what website do you need to go to? You need to go to grayscale.com/crypto-products. Or just go to Grayscale website. Pay attention to assets under management. Okay, so look at this. The Grayscale Decentralized Trust has $8.8 billion assets under management. $8.8 billion. Decentraland Manor. But the actual coin has less than 1 billion. So let's not call them Grayscale. Let's call them Bitcoin's biggest holder. Yeah, so it has more impact. Bitcoin and Litecoin's biggest holder, right, in the entire world have 8.8 billion of Decentraland. Well, that's assets under management in their Mana Trust. But the coin has less than 1 billion. That's 8x. Okay, let's do some more fundamentals. Okay, the Grayscale Litecoin Trust has $104 billion of assets under management. That's LTCN. I think you got to be an institutional investor to be able to get onto this kind of shit. Mind my language. Right? Over $100 billion in the Litecoin Trust. But Litecoin itself only has 5.2 billion. So the Grayscale Litecoin Assets Under Management Trust has 20x what is in the public market. You know what? I'm not even going to go further because actually, you guys should pay me for this information. But I like, if that's not enough, like, obviously, I don't want to go through every asset, guys. A good way to be able to predict where public crypto prices are going or public market caps are going is by looking at the private market cap invested. Right? And I don't know why, after 8 years in this game, did I never think about this, right? Look, there is a cryptocurrency public market cap, and there is also a multi-trillion dollar, maybe tens of trillion dollar crypto futures derivative market. Because that's just derivative of crypto price action, mainly funded by fiat currency liquidity. Do you understand? And then, yeah, if you look at things like G-Link, which is Grayscale Link Trust, in the same time that Chainlink public crypto did 3x from summer 2022 till I think current moment in time. You can check me on this, but basically from X time period to present day, I can't remember exact which time period. It might be summer 2023, it might be summer 2022. I did it on the private dojo call yesterday, which is why you should subscribe. But anyway, what you guys need to do is look at institutional crypto products. For example, Grayscale Link. Right, you can find the chart on Yahoo Finance. All Grayscale single asset cryptos are on Yahoo Finance, so that's how you're gonna get the price action. And you'll literally see things like Grayscale Link. In the same time, the cryptocurrency did 3x. The trust did 10x. Do you understand? This institutional money, there's literally arguably bigger gains in these trusts. Sorry, I'm so passionate. There's bigger gains in these trusts than actual cryptocurrency. I'm now thinking, how the hell do I buy LTCN? I don't even want Litecoin. I want LTCN. That's in a dip. It's in a super dip. Litecoin's like 6, 7x from all-time high. LTCN and these trusts, they're like 20x from all-time high. Crazy. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. Where's Mr. Hardy? Yeah. Breaking the code.
Hey, Ninja, that was crazy. That was crazy, bro. Can't hide that from me.
I mean, it's
work.
public information. Like, I just
Yeah. No, you just broke it down, bro, beautifully, man. Guys, do your own research, man. That's it.
anyway. Keish, you want to give him some game?
Listen, man. I think my piece really is yeah. I think the state of the market right now is coming together, right? It's from what I've seen, it's building and growing in the way it should do. As much as there's still the crappy 122 project, I think the quality of projects in the space in the UK especially, and pretty much globally as well, that I've been seeing and speaking to, quality is pretty damn good. So I'm bullish. I'm very bullish on the next iteration of Web3. I see that there's going to be heavy integration of AI. Um, especially in the gaming space, the future of the new iteration of the metaverse will be AI integrated NPCs, which will be able to also have interoperable capabilities with different projects. So, for example, you can be part of an NFT collection, and that NFT collection in particular will be inside of a metaverse. There's a lot of really interesting integrations and iterations of the space that I'm seeing, and I think that things are gonna be pumped out a lot quicker using AI as well. That everything to do with avatars, the development of the worlds, the building of the worlds, things like that. So yeah, it's really exciting. I think it's going to be a really interesting next couple years coming into the space. But this year we're going to see a lot of really interesting things coming out, and I think that's basically me. Really, I already gave the piece on the cloud storage and stuff like that. But yeah, I think just follow the money, but also understand the technology. I think that's what's important, and follow the flow of the money if you're trading. And if you just want to learn, deep dive, read, go where people don't go, and be that weirdo. It's like us, and that's it. So yeah, Ninja, I don't know if you're still there, bro. Can you hear? Okay, great. But yeah, that's my piece. That's my piece for the day, man.
Love that man. Oh my god, is he gone? He's literally left the room. The Matrix attacked our CEO. Okay. What? We weren't expected to be waiting this long, so then after what else? Do 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 do. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap whilst we wait. Let's have a look. Okay. For those who don't know, CoinMarketCap is the #1 website in the entire world for cryptocurrency information, use, and data. What are today's stats? Fear and greed, 175. They're getting greedy, greedy, greedy. So look at some quick stats, quick maths. Okay, so look, we have not yet entered this zone, right? Which is 80. Extreme greed. Do I think we can get there? Hell yeah. In fact, we were in extreme greed from around the 5th of December all the way up until the 12th. Why was that? Why was there more greed during this time than the ETF? Because the ETF was the 10th of Jan, was it? Yeah, 10th of Jan. 1 second, let me just double check. BTC ETF approval. Yeah, 10th of Jan. I thought so. Okay. So today's fear and greed is around the same as the 10th of Jan. And then obviously Bitcoin price, it was a sell news event, so Bitcoin tumbled down. So yeah, this looks pretty bullish to me. No financial advice. The derivatives market, the perpetuals and futures market right now are significantly down. 2, 3, 5. Yeah, basically half. Why? Because during this time, okay, this makes absolute sense. This was literally on the day of the ETF. So you can imagine a lot of people speculating. Now people are less speculative. I believe money's moving into spots. Okay, what else is the crypto market telling me? 63 days till halving. Like I said, don't be overly surprised if we do see an all-time high in the next 63 days. Very, very, very much possible. We touched, what did we touch? We touched 53K yet. Uh, 52.9, 7 days. No, I don't think we've hit 53. No, we haven't hit 53 yet, according to CoinMarketCap. Oh, how crazy is this, right? Bitcoin is already at all-time highs when viewed in other fiat currencies. Think about that, right? So let's look at I don't know which specific currency, but let's take like Turkish lira, right? Turkish lira. Can we see BTC in Turkish lira? Oh my God! No. So Bitcoin, yeah, at its peak in no, let's go in well. You know what's interesting? Oh my God, I literally understand why certain altcoins continue to boom in December 2021 after the global stock market peaked on the 8th or 10th of November 2021 and Bitcoin peaked. around the 8th and 10th. Basically, crypto peaked around the 8th or 10th, and the stock market peaked 8th or 10th. And I always get those two dates mixed up. So one or the other was 8th or 10th, but that's against the dollar value, right? In Turkish lira, Bitcoin was still rising for another 6 weeks after the top of the global stock market against dollars. And now look at the price of Bitcoin. Oh my God. Yeah. BTC in Indonesian rupee. I bet you it's at all-time high. Watch. 5 years. Oh, no, not quite. Not quite. Okay, so mind you, £1 sterling is like 20,000 Indonesian rupees. So Bitcoin used to be 913,913,000 in November 2021. And now in Indonesian rupee is 811 million, which I believe is a smaller percentage drawdown. Like if I just look right now, Bitcoin is 52, 53, and the drawdown from 68k to today's current price is definitely less than this Indonesian price action. But what else is a good currency? BTC in Naira. It's quite interesting. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. So in November 2000, this is so interesting. This is so interesting. So during the peak of Bitcoin 68k in American dollars, in Naira, it was 25 mil. But now Bitcoin is 79 million Naira. And that's why Nigerians coin. Yo, do a whole the game episode just looking at crypto prices and alternative currencies. This is so fun. It is fun, but I think it's oh my God. One sec. Let me stop sharing here and just go on the StreamYard for a second. Right. So I've literally just thought about something. Man, this is why we love the game because we just learn live on the call, right? So I think now like, this is an even more bullish sentiment because it's like you've got certain countries on the euphoria, but the USA and United Kingdom and Europe is not. And they're the main liquidity pools for crypto to go up. Because fiat currency is the liquidity pool for crypto. Let's not forget that, right? Things are measured in dollars, you put pound sterling in. And crypto is measured in dollars for the most part. Oh my God. Man, let's take some questions, man. I don't know if Mr. Hartley's gonna come back. Um, Keish, you got anything to add to that? That was so fun. Wow.
Yeah, I remember when we did that on TradingView. It was crazy. The percentage gain difference is nuts. And yeah, whoever's got, that passport in another country, and if it's in Nigeria or wherever it is, you better be utilizing that to get a bank account out there and make these percentage gains. But yeah, I think nothing much really to add from my side, really. But yeah, I think yeah, it's been a good episode today. But yeah, shout out to Ninja, heavy with the game. Shout out to Michael. Shout out to Crypto Mondays. And yeah, I think we can move on to questions unless Michael probably jump in rocking. But yeah, let's
In Nigeria, yeah, the currency is a bit different for me. Like, £1 is 1,000 naira. Like, legit, my mom told me that.
yeah.
Eat in a day, yeah, they spend 3,000 naira.
Yeah, 100%. But we'll talk about the percentage gain
Wow. No way this thing's end. Hello, hello, hello. Yo, are we back? Come on, man.
Like,
That's- Come on. Hello, hello, hello. We back. Yo.
yeah. Can you hear us?
Yeah. Sorry, my internet just glitched out. Let me just make sure.
Is the stream still running?
Let me check. Let me check YouTube.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Sorry, my
Real
internet
trade,
just glitched out. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're
cool.
back. We're back.
Real trade. How's it going, bro?
Yo.
How's it going, man? Any questions from yourself? Anything that you know
Nah,
you want to highlight from today? Any value that you saw in particular?
nah, I ain't got no questions, but obviously when you're talking about market caps, the crypto, you see crypto when the price is it
Mm-hmm.
53,000 or is it 41 right now as of this moment?
Yo.
Ninja, you can
Yeah.
take that one. That's just a Bitcoin price right now.
Yeah. Sorry, are you asking for the price of Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it in GBP USD? Like what do you mean?
No. I was because when Ninja went on the market
Yeah.
cap
M M.
website, it said
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin was on 53,000
Dollars.
price. Yeah,
Dollars.
dollars. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
And then
£41,000.
oh, okay, or pound.
Hey,
Okay.
forget about the price of anything in pound sterling.
Yeah.
Okay.
That you're not going to become a great investor by talking or thinking in pound sterling. Pound sterling doesn't even exist to me and Keish. Pound sterling is just
Yeah.
what we use to pay our bills in a shop. We measure our net worth and always talk about everything in dollars. And that's just the way it is.
Okay.
And you just, there's a cognitive bias where investors go through, and it's a quick way to identify who's experienced and who's not. Anyone who talks about any assets in anything outside of dollars isn't an experienced investor or trader. That's just the way it is. And that because there's no point in you converting the price in your head when all the information you look, see, download here is in dollars. So why are you converting? Because no one else is converting. It's just getting used to the dollar. It takes a minute, but it's a skill set that you gotta get to. Not even a skill set. It's not a skill set. It's just a habit. It's just a habit. It's not a skill set. So don't worry about what's that in pounds, because it doesn't matter.
Fair.
Yeah. But Bitcoin is 52,000, I think. 52,500 approximately. Yeah, man. All right. We got 7 minutes, man. 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. What we saying? What we saying? Dubham, any question from you?
No, we ran through Dublin already, bro. When you cut out there, you said you didn't really have anything to add there. But yeah, I got a question for you, Ninja. Within the space, obviously you've seen a lot of market cycles and whatnot. What is your sort of gauge and feeling on the notion of the space and where things are moving right now? Because obviously I've given my take, but I'd like to hear yours.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. So I'm gonna tell you, I don't like to say what I think the market is gonna do all the time.
Mm,
The reason why is because people like to hold on to the what I think is going to happen. Somebody might pull up to me in the future and say, you said the market was going to be bearish in February and it wasn't, right? So honestly, where things are actually going, like I said before, I'm of the strong consensus that the top of the bull market is not the previous general consensus, which is late 2025. It's more like Q2 2025 rather than Q3, Q4, right? And according to the chart that we showed before, this on Blockchain Sensei Twitter, big ups to I think Well Crypto, they made it. There's historically speaking, it's been exactly 1,064 days from the bottom to the top. So assuming November 2022. Not November 2022. Assuming so let me just go back to make sure I'm not absolutely chatting shit. Assuming that the low was not matching up. Okay, forget what I said about assuming the low. But basically, I feel like there is less time than we thought there is, aka it's bull market now. Not previously, my sentiment was it's bull trap. We're pulling back and then bull market, but it doesn't seem to have trapped because it's not shorting, right? And then everything now, reading Fear and Greed, Google Trends, on-chain data, right? Certain metrics such as other countries are already on Bitcoin super highs, including in Nigeria, right? Where this is super necessary. I feel like we have less time than we thought. I don't believe we're gonna get this huge correction. If we do have a correction, I'd be surprised if we go below 38k. I'm super surprised. That would be an insane pullback. So I don't really feel like we're gonna pull back beyond 38k. That's my general sentiment. I know everybody kind of wants like a price sentiment, right? Though obviously things can change. How I'm personally playing the game is I am betting what I absolutely know. So I'm putting most of my investment net worth and available capital into things that I really know and understand. It sounds boring, but including things with hard fundamentals like Matic. Why do I love Matic? I absolutely love Matic because they had. I know there's some bearish stuff with Matic as well, like with regards to what is it, raising capital, etc. But devs don't lie, and they had more devs than Solana. 50
No,
more
it's not
devs.
just raising capital. It's not just raising capital. It's in regards to the founders. So two of the founders quit and made a new company, and they had a emergency fund as well. But that's private information, so I can't really explain all of that. But yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. So, I like my Litecoin, right? That's one of that's always on our bear market bets. In terms of gaming, my biggest. So I've got like a gaming portfolio, and my biggest gaming coin is Engine. Second to that, I really, literally, since downloading that data, I'm trying to find an allocation into Mana. Look, Grayscale's current assets under management for their Decentraland Mana Trust, around 8.9 billion today, is Decentraland Mana's all-time high market cap. So make of that as what you will. The November 2021 all-time high market cap of Decentraland Mana is $8.9 billion. Grayscale's current Decentraland Mana Trust is 8.9 billion approximately. So for me, that's just saying, okay, cool. Chances of going back to all-time high are high. I need to look into more AI coins, and I'm super interested in layer zero omni chain is where I'm looking to study a lot, like especially in the Polkadot ecosystem. Maybe it's easier for me to say because I'm in a position that a lot of people aren't in. And a lot of people, what they want to do is they want to put money before the next narrative and then boom, and then sell, and then put money before the next narrative booms, and then sell, and put money in the next narrative, and then boom, and then sell. And there's probably going to be 3 to 5 narratives before the top, right? 3 to 5 cycles. I'm personally okay with missing the next boom. Maybe it's easier for me to say, but I would prefer to put my things in, for example, Litecoin and Engine, where I know mathematically speaking, they're going to do the multiples at some point. Rather than try to forecast what is coming up next. I am 100% confident that the legacy cryptos, crypto gaming, DeFi, are going to boom at some point. They're not as sexy as Deepin, not as sexy as decentralized physical infrastructure, not as sexy and exciting as alternative layer ones, right? New layer ones, and definitely not as sexy as AI. But whereas everyone's kind of looking at these next narratives to put money in and catch the next boom, I'm okay with stacking at the bottom. To this day, since I called it last year, I still stack PayPal stock, for example, just in the stock portfolio, and that's not moved. That's consolidated. That's been moving between $55 and $70 for like a year or something. And I'm cool with the idea that it may not boom till 2025. But yeah, it's not a super sexy answer, but that's the real answer. Yeah. But yeah, you want to lock it off there?
Yeah, I think so, bro. I think no, it's been a good episode, man. Mike, I don't know where Mike is, man. Mike's gone and lost in the abyss in the event, but it was good. It was good to catch up, and yeah, pleasure to see you guys as always.
100. Also, stay for a second, YouTube people. Don't go anywhere. What I'm going to do is that I am going to, because I really want loads of people to try the dojo service. It's not for everyone, okay? It's for the snipers. I've just shared on YouTube, and I'm going to share it here. The private Zoom link, and we do calls 5 times a week. Well, me and Jay do. Mr. Harding has his own schedule. I think it's 3 times a week. Can't remember. We've also got Yusuf in there, talking about forex and gold trades. He's got a super dope win rate. Tonight's webinar will be 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. And if you thought the game had game, wait till you come to the private game. That's happening in 1 hour every Monday, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Amongst multiple times a week. Message Blockchain Sensei for a free trial. I'm really trying to get snipers to try it out. Okay. See you guys on the dojo call. See you guys in person on Wednesday for those that are Manchester residents at Metaphysical.
Thank you, guys. Many blessings.
And yeah, NFT Fridays. Take care. Have a good week. Bye bye.